Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, bringing you the news that matters. And today, this news, it matters. Yes, we're in the car. We're delivering the news. Today's news is going to be about the Gears 4. Now, I've been out since 4 o'clock in the morning. I won't get home until about 10. I won't go to bed until about 12. So we thought while we had some downtime, we'd go ahead and we'll shoot this news out. Now, the news is about the Gears 4 once again. And there's some more rumors and leaks spreading about what the smartwatch may come with, right? But we want to talk about some of the old things that we've heard so far as rumors are concerned. Nothing is written in stone. Take this with a grain of salt. But one of the things we heard that I think is going to be a real positive thing is that this may come with a blood pressure monitor. And if it does, it's welcome in my book, because anything that's going to save lives or help people is welcome with me. The other thing is that we heard that they may have the battery in the strap. I hope that's a dead issue. I hope that they don't do anything like that, which means that we won't be able to change out the battery strap, and that sucks, right? So I'm hoping that's not true. The other one is that we may get a camera embedded in the display. Now, that's what I'm looking forward to. Now, that may also be doubled up and used as a fingerprint scanner. We don't know. Again, it's only rumors and speculations at this point. But let's go ahead. Let's talk about the meat and potatoes and the rumors at hand. Now, it's been rumored that we may get a gold smartwatch, right? What do you think about that? I'm talking about a gold smartwatch on the Gears 4. I don't know how I feel about it. A gold smartwatch to wear every day, because I'm going to wear mine every day, not every now and then or when I'm dressing up. That's every day. But listen, leave me in the comment section down below. Let me know. Are you going to buy this smartwatch? If the rumors are true, will you be buying this gold smartwatch? Remember, we're not talking about rose gold. We're talking about gold, right? All right, let me know. But let's talk about the battery. Now, this is the last rumor. Now, it's been said that they're going to beef up the battery. Now, what we're currently getting on the Gears 3 is 380 milliamp hour battery. Now, they're talking about boosting it up to 470 milliamp hour battery. But how much more battery life is that going to bring in days? Is that going to bring me a day? Is it going to bring me a day and a half? Is it going to bring me close to 2 days? So in total, will it give me 4 days of battery life? We don't know. It's only rumors and speculations at this point, but anything past 380 is going to be welcome. I'll look forward to it. It's going to be welcome. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think about the new rumors. And with that, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.